Good morning friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the last class we have completed the chapter 11. Today we are solving the problems on the chapter 11. Now let us consider the first problem. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of an electron moving with a velocity of 3 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. And they have given that the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. In this condition they have given v, that is velocity, and the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. And in this condition we have to calculate the de Broglie wavelength. Therefore lambda is equal to question mark. Now let us consider the given term. First we are writing the given term. Now in this v is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second, and the mass of the electron means small m is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Now de Broglie wavelength, that is lambda is equal to question mark. Now the formula for the de Broglie wavelength, lambda is equal to h by mv. We know that h is the Planck constant. They have given the value of the mass and the v, that is velocity. Therefore h is equal to, we are taking as 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34. Now we got all the values. Just put all the values. Lambda is equal to 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by m into v. 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 into v is 3 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Now the calculation part of the lambda. Okay, we are getting the answer as 2.427 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 2.427 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Or this answer can be also converted as 2.427 angstrom. Angstrom is equal to, we are considering 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Now next question. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of an electron whose kinetic energy is 500 electron volt and the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Here we have to find the wavelength of the electron. Lambda is equal to question mark. And they have given that kinetic energy is 500 electron volt. We know that electron volt can be written as 500 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Next they have given that the mass of the electron means small m. M is equal to, we are considering 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. And we have to know the value of the h. H is equal to, we are considering as 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34. Now by using this, here we have to find the value of the lambda. Lambda is equal to, we are writing the formula as h divided by root of 2mk. Lambda is equal to h divided by root of 2mk. We know the values of h, m and k. Put all the values. 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34 by root of 2 into m. 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. K means kinetic energy. 500 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 90. Now the calculation part of the lambda, we are getting the answer as lambda is equal to 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter. 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter, or this can be also written in the angstrom. 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, or 0.5 angstrom meter. Therefore, the value of the de Broglie wavelength of an electron is 0.5 angstrom meter. Now, let us consider next question. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of an alpha particle. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of an alpha particle accelerated to a potential difference of 4 kilovolt. Now, here we have to find the wavelength of an alpha particle. Lambda is equal to question mark. Given that potential difference is 4 kilovolt, means we are writing that V is equal to 4 kilovolt. Or this can be also written in the form of 4000 volt, or 4 into 10 raised to 3 volt. The value of the V. Next, here we are considering M is equal to 4 unit. Now, the value of the U we are considering as 4 into 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27. Now, we know that Q is equal to charge 2 times of E, and the value of the E 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. We got the value of Q, M and V. Here we have to find the lambda. Lambda is equal to question mark. Therefore, the formula lambda is equal to H divided by root of 2m V into Q. We know that H is equal to 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34. H is equal to 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34. Now put all the values, we can find the value of the lambda. Lambda is equal to 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by root of 2. The value of the M is 4 into 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 7, and V is 4,000. Next Q 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Now, by using this, we have to calculate the value of the lambda. Therefore, the value of the lambda, we are getting the answer as 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 30 meter. Therefore, according to the question, the de Broglie wavelength of an alpha particle is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 30 meter. Now, next question. Find the energy of the neutron having the de Broglie wavelength 10 raised to minus 40 meter. They have given that de Broglie wavelength is 10 raised to minus 40 meter. The rest mass of the neutron is 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Now, in this condition, we have to find the energy of the neutron. They have given the value of lambda, and they have given the mass. First write the value of lambda. Lambda is equal to 10 raised to minus 14 meter. And the rest mass of the neutron m is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 k. Now we know that formula lambda is equal to, we are considering as h by p, where p is the momentum. The formula for the momentum p is equal to, we are considering as m into v. Now h is equal to 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34. Now calculation part, we are getting as, put all the values. Therefore here in this condition we have to find the velocity. V is equal to question mark, because they have not given the value of the v. Therefore v is equal to, we are considering as h by m into lambda. Now put all the values. 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34 by m in 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 into 10 raised to minus 14. The calculation part of the velocity v is equal to, we are getting the answer as 3.967 into 10 raised to 7 meter per second. Therefore we have find the velocity. V is equal to, we are getting the answer as 3.967 into 10 raised to 7 meter per second. Now in this condition we have to find the kinetic energy of the neutron. The kinetic energy of a neutron we are writing the formula as the kinetic energy of a neutron, lambda is equal to h divided by root of 2mk. In this condition we know the value of h, wavelength, m. We have to find the k. K is equal to question mark. Therefore now here the value or the formula for the k is equal to h square divided by 2m into lambda. For the kinetic energy, k is equal to h square by 2m into lambda. Now put all the values. We are getting as k is equal to 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34 whole raised to square divided by 2 into m. Mass is 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 into lambda 10 raised to minus 14. Now the calculation part of the k, we are getting k is equal to, we are getting the value of k is equal to 13.14. The kinetic energy of a neutron is equal to 13.14 into 10 raised to minus 13 joule into 10 raised to minus 13 joule. Or the value of the kinetic energy can be also written as 8.21 mega electron volt. We are considering the answer in the electron volt, because here we are finding the kinetic energy of a neutron. Therefore kinetic energy of, according to the question, the energy of a neutron or the kinetic energy of a neutron k is equal to 8.21 mega electron volt. Now next question, calculate the momentum of the photon of a frequency 5 into 10 raised to 13 Hz. Given that h is equal to 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second and c is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. In the question we have to find the momentum. P is equal to question mark. Now first write all the given terms. They have given the frequency V is equal to 5 into 10 raised to 13 Hz. Next, h is equal to 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second, and c is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. By using this, here we have to find the momentum. P is equal to question mark. Now the value or the formula for the momentum P is equal to h by lambda. Or we know that c is equal to, we are considering here v into lambda. The value of the c is equal to v into lambda. Therefore, h mu by c. The momentum formula is equal to what we are considering, p is equal to h mu by c. Now put all the values. H is 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34. V means 5 into 10 raised to 13 Hertz divided by c. 3 into 10 raised to 8. Therefore, the calculation part of the P, we are getting the answer as 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 28. 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 28 kg per meter square. Therefore, the momentum of the photon P is equal to 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 28 kg per meter square.